Alright, what's up everybody? Working on the Mustang, fixed the exhaust leak. I actually had a bolt to fit in there, so it worked out perfect. I'll show you that here in a little bit in the video I just took. So that's like one of the bigger things that I had to worry about, and it's fixed, so that's good. So now, next up, we'll probably start working on the body work, so I get the fender and all that stuff mounted, and then we can start doing some of the maintenance work. I got new spark plugs, new valve cover gaskets, and just a couple other odds and ends things just to get this thing up to par. Probably need to do oil change, just kind of check all the fluids. But yeah, there is a valve cover leak for sure. Passenger side rear, you might be able to see it in some of the videos when I was changing that bolt, but definitely leaking oil back there, so we'll get that fixed. I got the air filter cleaned out. I need to spray some K&N fluid on that one for a clean filter now. But yeah, we'll get this thing up and going. We can do a little quick walk around and kind of show you some things we're planning on doing. And yeah, so it's gonna be a fun project. Stick around. Hopefully get some cool upgrades for it, like to do cams would be really fun. Maybe a pro charger a couple years down the road or something. I don't know, but definitely cams would be pretty cool. It already sounds good, so that's what we'll focus on next. All right, so here, as you can see, like I said, we're gonna start working on this piece here. This is where the deer hit. I got a lot of it actually already removed, so the whole headlight bucket that was right here is gone. So I'm still working on getting this straightened out. This is the fender apron. So once I get that straightened out, then we can start mounting the actual headlight bucket. And shouldn't be too bad. I mean, it's not gonna be perfect, but I feel like I can get it pretty straight and get it lined up fairly well. I was gonna replace this whole upper piece here. As you can see, I do have it over there, but I was gonna replace this whole thing, but knowing the damage was just so small right here, that's what we're just gonna do, is just worry about this damage right here.